went to Khoiyachara Waterfall, then came to see Khaiyachora Waterfall in the afternoon. This trail is a very difficult trail, but comparatively easier than Khoiyachara trail. As it was summer, we did not get much water in the waterfall. A beautiful wonder of the mountains, Khaiyachora Waterfalls.
আমার হাতেও আছে পায়েও আছে
আন্টিরা যাবেন কেমনে
In 2010, the government has been included in the Khoiyachora Waterfall National Park. After declaring 293.61 hectares of the block of Kunda Hat Baratakia block in Thibaraya Dahaleberg. Anyone who wants to reduce health can go there, as like me. First cascade of Khoiyachora. Its 9 main steps and other scattered steps prove that this is the unique. In the top distance we seen the 7th cascade. We will go there. Climbing up the step by step, it was very difficult. Entry fee is 20 taka per person at Khoiyachora Waterfall. Collect your ticket from the ticket booth. As you climb upper, more beautiful it gets. In rainy season, it gets so beautiful and the tracking gets challenging. This is the best waterfall I have ever been seen. I showed you this place from far away.
ওই যে আমরা মেনুস কেমন আসছে
ভাই এই তো নামও সম্পর্ক রাখলো
আমরা এই যে এখান দিয়ে না এই পাহাড় দিয়ে
এটা তো
এই উঠে
আর এর পিছনে পিছনে বড় পাহাড়।
এটা অনেক উপরে তারপর ওই দিকে 12 নম্বরে গেছে না আসো
This time, we can see third, fourth, and fifth cascade of Khoiyachora.